And so you've somehow locked yourself out of your Xiaomi phone, and maybe you forgot your screen password after changing it, or maybe you just bought a used Xiaomi device that is still linked to the previous owner's Mi account, or even worse, you factory reset your phone and it is now FRP locked. All of these situations can prevent you from accessing your device. Now, the good news is that most Xiaomi lock issues fall into 3 common categories: at the screen lock, which has to do with PIN, password, or pattern; Mi account lock; or Google FRP verification after factory reset. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deal with each of these lock situations and how a tool like Dr.Fone can help unlock your Xiaomi phone quickly if you get stuck. Now, Dr.Fone is an all-in-one toolkit for smartphone management that includes features like system repair, data recovery, file transfer, and lock removal. In this video, we will specifically focus on the screen unlock feature, which can remove different types of locks and save a lot of time compared to manual solutions. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, starting off with part 1, unlock Xiaomi bootloader using Mi Unlock. This is the official method. Now, before using third-party tools, Xiaomi also offers its own official option called Mi Unlock. Mi Unlock is a tool that was developed by Xiaomi that allows users to unlock the bootloader of their device, giving deeper access to the system. While it is commonly used for installing custom ROMs or making advanced modifications, it can also help if you're locked out but still have access to your Mi account. Now, to use Mi Unlock, you need the Mi account credentials linked to the device. The phone must be connected to that account. USB debugging and OEM unlocking usually need to be enabled beforehand as well, and you must request bootloader unlock permission from Xiaomi on top of that. Now, here's exactly how the Mi Unlock process generally works. Now, first things first, go to Xiaomi's official Mi Unlock website and download the Mi Unlock tool to your computer. Then just sign in using the Mi account associated with your Xiaomi phone. Turn off your Xiaomi device, and now boot the phone into fast boot mode by holding the power and volume down buttons. Just connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Open the Mi Unlock tool and sign in with your Mi account. Click Unlock and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, Xiaomi may require a waiting period before the bootloader can be fully unlocked. In some cases, this waiting period can be up to several days. Once that process is completed, the bootloader will be unlocked and you will be able to proceed with system modifications or troubleshooting steps. However, this method only works if you still have access to the original Mi account credentials. And if you forgot your Mi account or that device is locked to someone else's account, this official method will not really work. That is exactly when an alternative solution like Dr.Fone can become extremely helpful, which leads us straight into part 2, unlock Xiaomi screen lock. Now, let's start with the most common situation, which is forgetting your screen lock. Maybe you changed your PIN or password, or just forgot it, and your Xiaomi phone keeps showing the incorrect password message. After too many attempts, that device may temporarily lock you out. In cases like this, Dr.Fone and your lock screen removal can help. Now, Dr.Fone is a toolkit developed by Wondershare that solves common smartphone issues. Its lock screen removal tool can remove PIN, password pattern, and even fingerprint or face lock issues using a guided process on your computer. Instead of trying endless password combinations or complicated fixes, it lets you remove the screen lock and regain access to your phone. Let's see exactly how that works. Now, first things first, just go ahead and download and install Dr.Fone on your Windows or Mac computer. Open the software and select Screen Unlock. Choose Android from the available device options, then connect your Xiaomi phone to the computer using a USB cable. Then select Unlock Android Screen and follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into the required mode. Allow the software to remove the lock screen. And within a few minutes, the lock screen can be removed and you will be able to access your Xiaomi device again. This is especially helpful if you completely forgot your password and cannot access the system settings from there. So let's go ahead and talk about part 3, bypass Xiaomi Mi account lock. The second common situation happens when a Xiaomi phone is locked to a Mi account. You might see a message that says this device is locked. Please log in with the associated Mi account. This usually happens if you forgot the account credentials, previous owner did not remove their account, or that device was reset while still linked to it. Because the Mi account is part of Xiaomi's security system, the phone will not allow normal setup until the account is verified. If you cannot access the original login information, then Dr.Fone provides a method that may help you bypass the account lock. This part contains 3 important steps in order to complete it, so please make sure to follow along. Here's exactly how that process generally works. Now, first things first, you should check if your Xiaomi phone is truly locked. So just use your phone's IMEI number in order to check Xiaomi activation lock information for free on the Dr.Fone IMEI Check online platform. And then click on Check Now after entering. And if it's locked, and then you just have to find a code to unlock it. And that's when you will go through the following steps. Just turn off your phone completely. And you can do so by pressing the volume up and power buttons for a few seconds. In recovery mode, you will need to go ahead and navigate over to wipe data by using the volume buttons. Then press the power button to choose the wipe data option. And then your phone will show you your unlock code below. Now you can start unlocking your Xiaomi phone by following these steps. Open the Xiaomi account log removal site in your browser. The link will be in the description, and just enter the device unlock code that you retrieved. Then select the appropriate device region and select the screen unlock tool. Click on unlock once you've done so. It will take some time, but once it's finished, you should be pretty good to go from there. But before you finish, just connect your phone to the internet in order to finish activating your phone. This is particularly useful if you purchased a secondhand Xiaomi phone that was not properly reset by the previous owner, which leads us into Part 4. Bypass Google FRP lock after factory reset. FRP is a built-in Android security feature that activates when a phone is factory reset while still linked to a Google account. During setup, that device will require you to go ahead and sign in with a previously synced account before you can continue. And if you no longer have access, then the phone can remain stuck on verification screen. That's when Dr.Fone also includes a tool designed to help bypass Google FRP on Android devices. Here's exactly how the FRP bypass process works. All you have to do is download and install Dr.Fone on your computer if you haven't already, then launch it, and select Screen Unlock from the main interface. Then choose the Remove Google FRP Lock option, and then just connect your Xiaomi device to your computer using a USB cable and follow the on-screen instructions to enter the required mode. Allow this program to complete the FRP bypass process on its own from there. After that process is done, you should be able to complete the phone setup without the previous Google account verification. This can save a lot of time compared to searching for complicated manual bypassing methods online. Now getting into Part 5, which Xiaomi unlock method should you use? At this point, you might be wondering which method is the best option for unlocking your Xiaomi phone. Now Xiaomi's official Mi Unlock tool works well if you still have access to the Mi account linked to that device, and if the necessary settings were enabled beforehand. However, it does have limitations. You must sign in with the original Mi account, and Xiaomi may require a waiting period before that bootloader can be unlocked. It is also mainly designed for bootloader unlocking, and if you forget your Mi account credentials, bought a second-hand device that is linked to another account, or are just stuck on another verification screens, then the official tool may not resolve the issue. This is exactly where Dr.Fone can be more flexible as an option, and it offers tools to remove Android screen locks, bypass Mi account locks, and even remove Google FRP verification, all with step-by-step guidance that can make that process faster and easier for a lot of beginners. And finally, we've got Part 6. Which Xiaomi lock situation are you facing? Now, most Xiaomi lock issues will fall under 3 categories. If you forgot your screen password or pattern, if your device is locked by a Mi account, or if it's just stuck on Google FRP verification after a factory reset. The key is just identifying which type of lock your device is showing so that you can choose the right solution. Now, tools like Dr.Fone can simplify that process by guiding you step by step instead of just requiring complicated technical procedures. Now, before attempting to unlock your Xiaomi phone, please keep in mind a few tips. Just make sure that your phone has enough battery before starting, and please use a reliable USB cable in order to ensure a proper and good connection. And follow each instruction carefully when placing your phone in the required mode. Only unlock devices that you legally own or have permission to access. Now, taking these steps will help ensure the unlocking process goes smoothly. And that's pretty much it. Now, getting locked out of your Xiaomi phone can be frustrating, but it does not have to mean losing access to your device. Whether you forgot your screen password, are stuck on the Mi account screen, or cannot pass that Google FRP verification after a reset, there are going to be plenty of tools that you can use in order to tackle this issue. And the Dr.Fone goes ahead and provides you guided solutions for each of these common lock situations, making it easier to regain access without any kinds of complicated troubleshooting techniques. And if you're currently locked out of your Xiaomi phone, you can just download Dr.Fone and try the unlock tools to regain access pretty quickly. And if this video helped you out, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell in order to not miss any more videos moving forward. Now, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.